What's up, everybody? It's Jillian. Okay, a mobile link. I'll put up my video and beer things. You see me? So, there's gonna be these people that are gonna fucking say whatever they want. All right. So they tell me speaking patwa is a disrespect to their culture. First off, bitch, it's not a disrespect. I rate Jamaica. If I want to talk patwa, I can fucking talk patwa. You ever heard of freedom of fucking speech? You ignorant piece of shit. Yeah, I'm talking English now. Suck your mother. You see me? I don't have time for that. If I want to talk any way I want to talk, it's like the pettiest thing to talk about somebody speaking a language where they rate. And we got poverty, we got bullying, we got everything going on in this world, and you choose to pick on this shit. You are small fucking minded, and you are ignorant. And if you don't like what I fucking have to say, all you gotta do is stop watching my fucking videos. Simple as that. Me not give a fuck if me want chat patwa. If me want chat Spanish, which me not speak Spanish, so me have to learn though. Me no business. And if uno have something to say about that, I not feel my fault that. I not feel my fault that. You have to understand, say, people in this world always are going to have something to say about you. And if you listen to what everybody blood class say, your head would have fuck up. You see me? But me not pre nobody badness, you see me? Me not pre what people I say because me not have time for that. Me know who I am. I'm proud to be fucking American. And if I want to talk patwa, I can talk patwa. I never claimed to be Jamaican. I rate Jamaica, yes. But I never claimed to be Jamaican. So uno with bad mind can suck your mother. And if you have anything to say about that, me no business. Come look for me, I just trim my white no mean say me soft, my youth. Fucking idiots.